Gotta ask I hope you can come over the answers that like that. What you like? I know you like that.
At me glancing a kid, wishing they was dancing a jig here with this handsome kid, sing a cigar right from Cuba Cuba. I just bite it just for the look, I don't light it. Ill way to hand me on the hand, stay on play. Give it up, jiggy, make it feel like foreplay. Yo, my cardio is infinite. Big Willie style's all with it. What? You on the ball with your kid? Watch your step, you might fall trying to do what I did. Mama, to the east, to the north, bump my hips and watch them go off, yes, sure. You don't stop in the winter order. I makes it hot.
Chauffeur, come and take me away, cause I've been standing in this line for like 5 whole days. Me and security ain't getting along, and when I got to the front, they told me all of the tickets were gone. So just take me home where the mood is mellow.
Yeah, I mean, really, truly, Monday was the worst day we had all week. So that, you know, you would think that Monday would be your best day, and it'd taper off as you got tired. We got better, and that's just what we're after. So I felt like Tuesday was better than Monday. Wednesday was a lot better than Monday. Thursday was a whole lot better than Monday. And we just kept getting better every day. And actually, I was pleased with today. It was a good first day. I thought we threw and caught the ball well through the week. Offensive line's got a chance to be pretty good. We're young in some areas, and we're not near there. It won't be for a long time, but when district gets rolling around and do district play, I think we're going to have an offensive line. Secondary has got a chance. They had a really good day yesterday, and they're getting better. So, doing a good job.
Come on, 1, 2, 3. Shake the ball.